Hi, welcome back to Kind Finder channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off Rephrased message on Roblox. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Have you noticed that your messages on Roblox sometimes get automatically rephrased or changed before they are sent? If you're wondering how to stop this from happening, you're in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to do it step by step. So first of all, you can just open your Roblox, of course. After that, you can go to settings, you can go to more, select on settings, you can go to parental controls. On parental controls, and here you can check for privacy and content. Now you can go to communication, experience chat. If there's no option for press message, you can go to here, privacy and content restriction, and still can't find it. You can just log in or join into the game that you want to play. For example, we'll try to play Fish It. Now, from here, I can go to Roblox menu on the upper right corner here. You can open it. Now you can select on settings. From settings, you'll find there is an option replace message. So, by default, this setting is on. So turn off this feature, you can just disable it by click on it. So now you have turned off the replace message on your Roblox. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off repress message on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.